happy Sunday. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are having a wonderful weekend and a happy Easter so far if you are celebrating today. I was going to do like an Easter plan with me, but then I ended up changing my mind because when I went to go and add my new Easter washies to my washi storage containers, I realized that they were kind of a mess and in a bit of a disarray, and I didn't want to continue planning until I had cleaned it up a little bit and reorganized it, and I thought that that could be something fun that you guys could come along with me and do. So I'm going to show you my current washi storage setup, and then we'll make some room for these guys. All right, so this is my current washi storage setups right now. I have the two bins, one on this side and one on that side. Both of them are from Michael's. I think they were like $19 originally, but I ended up getting them on sale, I think for $11 each, which was amazing. Looking back now, I wish I would have gotten a third one, but it would have just been sitting here for the past year because I haven't really, I've been kind of on a no spend since we moved and trying to use up all of my, well, not all the washi, but as many as I can before I start buying new ones. But that being said, I still do buy a couple things. Like for this one, I got some Easter ones because I didn't have any Easter washi rolls. So there are exceptions, and it's not like a complete no spend. It's just like a more cautious spend. So as you can see, even just from looking, I don't want to blind you guys, from the outside here, you can see like things are falling down. I didn't really put stuff in properly. It's not 100% organized. Like I have some fall washi here, but then I also have like a whole row of the fall washi back here that I want to like combine and add together. You know, I have some prints that are here, and then I have print here. So I just kind of want to like tighten it up and make it just a little bit more organized and a little bit easier for me when I'm reaching in and grabbing them. Most of them kind of have like make sense and have like a nice area. Like I don't even know what this is doing in here. This doesn't even belong here. There's kind of a flow to like in terms of like the color and how I organized them the first time that I did that, but it's time. I haven't touched these bins for a year, and so it's not really terrible, but it is bugging me, and I definitely want to make them a little bit more neater today. So I'm gonna head back to my desk and we're gonna get started. Okay, so I'm just going to move these off screen for now. If you wanted to see these in more detail, you can check out my cute Easter haul from last week, and I'll leave the link up above for you to see if you haven't seen it already. I also found these two from upstairs, so I brought these down as well. I was using these in my last two spreads, and so I wanted to make sure to include them in today's reorganization. And I'm just trying to think like what's the best way that you guys can kind of see them, because I have 6 drawers, so maybe I'll just do like 3 at a time, like do 1 tub at a time, I guess, and see where that takes us. There we go. It's kind of as close as I can get you guys. All right, so you know what, maybe we'll do 2 drawers at once. Perfect. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to empty all of these onto the side and then load them back in a more organized fashion. Alright, so I also have some new glitter washi to add in as well that I had gotten from the dollar store, I think like over the holidays, and I just never got around to filming a little washi haul, so I want to make sure that I fit these guys in as well. And I do like to try to match them by color. So not necessarily by thickness, so I will be putting some of these together just so that it's easier for me when I'm doing like certain spreads and like I need to like match certain colors together. Like I know like exactly where to go, and it will help me. So this one's not really vibing here, so we're not going to force it. So that's basically all I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to be trying to organize them by shade and color, kind of like from one area to the next. Okay, so I've got the first rows organized, which is how I used to do it, which is just like to put all my glitter washi together by color, all of my kind of like neutral colors together in a different section. But now I'm wondering if I want to change it and do like all of my pinks, including glitter, in one, all of my blue in one, all of my greens in one area. It's kind of hard. Well, how do you guys organize your washi bin? Like, there's so many different ways, and honestly, as long as it works for you, like, I guess, like, there's no right or wrong way, but okay. I'm going to try it the other way as well, and then see which one I like better. All right, so I kind of like this better, so I think this is how I'm going to organize the rest of it. Instead of just separating it, like, and having, like, 3 different sections of purple, 3 different sections of pink, this is just, like, all of my pinks and purples, whether or not they're hollow, glitter, or plain. And I'm going to continue on like this. So I'm all done. So I'm going to show you the finished drawers now. So this one's going to be going on the bottom, and this was kind of a mishmash on the bottom, but mostly still by colors. So we have like a little beach set over here that came together. Then I kind of blended it in through some peaches and pinks over to red. And I have some more patterns, went to purple, blue, kind of grayish, gold, green. And then this was another set, so I wanted to keep these together, and it's really beautiful, kind of like cactus set. Then I moved into my animal prints here, including my little dog prints and dog washi, which is super cute. So that's going to go on the bottom of this tub. Then the next drawer that I have is going to be this one. And I have all of my gold washies here, yellows, greens, kind of like teals and greens. All of my bow washi, this was a set as well from Scribble Prints, so I wanted to keep that together. And some Christmas washi, just a little like kawaii washi, Sailor Moon, which I also love, some celestial and space ones, which I'm excited to use some of these for the solar eclipse that we're going to be seeing next Monday. I can't wait, because it's going to be a total one. We are in the path, so we are super excited. Then these are just some Erin Condren ones. Again, just try to like group it together by color, and then just some beautiful vintage ones as well. So that's going in the second drawer here. And then the top drawer in this first container is going to be kind of like all of my glitter washies, because those are my favorite and they just catch the light and sparkle when you see them from the top. So again, just by color, have some teals, blues, turquoise, and aqua, which I absolutely love. Some rose gold, peaches, yellows and oranges, silver, and then some kind of like red, magentas, pinks, and purples, which is probably my biggest section, because I don't know if you can tell, but turquoise and pinks are my favorite 2 colors. So So I love combinations that include them both. So that is the first tub all done and ready to go back. And then the second tub on the bottom, I'm going to have these ones, which basically some like girl boss ones. So it's like makeup and, you know, your shades and coffee, margaritas, birthday stuff, Valentine's stuff, like gold digger, and some like little, like just like women in power type stickers and staying organized. So along with this kind of like boss theme, I kept all my appointment stickers here as well. Some of them I haven't even used yet, so that's why I haven't gotten any more. I want to use these up first, and then some like time rules and stuff like that. So, and I still have a little bit of room here to grow. Put those in. And then on the second shelf in that one, I have my seasonal washi tapes. So I have all of my fall in one section finally, and all of my Halloween washi tapes here. And then I'm going to be saving this one because I don't know if you've noticed, I don't have like any Christmas washi. So I'm actually going to be buying some Christmas washi this year. So those are going to go there. So it's going to be like fall and Halloween and Christmas, which are my favorite holidays of the year. So they get a whole drawer all to themselves. And then the top drawer in this one for now is going to be more seasonal ones. So I have my Easter ones in here finally. It's only been like how many years? And then along with those I have some like little Alice in Wonderland rules as well, because I tend to do Alice in Wonderland around Easter time with the bunny and tea. And then these are just some kind of like black and white washies, vintage camera. These are just some random skinnies that I got in a pack that I like to keep together. And then I did some florals, so it's like more like a summer type stuff. And then also a little bit of fall with these two. I debated moving them over, but gonna keep them here for now because it's really transitional, so they could go in either place really. And they probably will end up there eventually. And that is my top drawer for this container. Alright guys, so I love the way it turned out. I have just put them back into each section. I should have done like a before and after picture, but maybe I can grab some stills and post them either here or on my Instagram. I just love the way everything is in like a nice color theme now and looking more organized, and I can't see a bunch of stuff just like piled up there. And then on this side, I have also my seasonal ones as well, which I'm really excited to see, and they're really, really cute. Eventually, when I fill up these two, the idea is to move these pens down to here and put my third tub there. And but that's going to be probably in the next couple months or so, depending on how fast I fill it up. Again, I'm not buying too many planner supplies right now, so probably won't be needing it too quickly, but I definitely will be getting the third one by the end of this year. Another thing on my to-do list is to actually organize this section as well, because I don't like hiding my beautiful pens here. I need to get a second pen display stand to fill up these ones. And then I also eventually need to get a separate, like a different pen organization, because I just have so many and they're just all over the place, like the markers and pens. These are the ones again that I got from my last Easter haul, and I don't even have anywhere to put them. So it looks terrible just there right now, but I am going to be getting an organizer for them as well and doing a video on that sometime soon, because I also have some down here, and ideally I would like to have all of these in one place so I don't have to, like, you know, be reaching up here and reaching down here and have pens kind of like loose all over the place and have it be madness. So it is coming along. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know how you guys store your washi collections down below. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and if you're enjoying my content overall, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will see you guys next week. Thanks a lot. Bye.